Hello guys, this is a iPhone 7. That iPhone is not coming on. Then I changing battery, everything. Then after that is coming temperature high. Now I can fix it that problem. Hello guys, I show you how to fix it iPhone 7 overheating. Now I fix it already. I remove the one IC. Now it's charging 100%. I can show you everything for now. And now it's charging. Just a moment. Just a moment. Now it's coming on. Let's see. This everything is working perfect now. No RC overheating that iPhone. Everything is normal now. Just moment.